Welcome back to the Truss Onboarding Guide. So far, we've set up your dashboard, payment portal, and team. Now, let's explore everything Truss has to offer. In this video, we will go over Invoices. Sending invoices and receiving payments with Truss is free. You deserve to keep what you earn. Click on the Invoices tab to get started. If you synced QuickBooks with automated invoices, continue creating your invoices in QuickBooks, and it will sync so all your new and previous invoices will show up here. You can filter your invoices at the top here by status, or in this smaller bar by total, customer, date, and its payment ID. You can find the payment ID upon clicking into an invoice under Details. Create a new invoice by clicking Add Invoice here. Click New Customer and fill out their information. If your customer is also a Truss user, you will be prompted to add them via the Truss network, where they can pay with their own Truss funds. When adding your customer, the email will be used to send a payment link, and the phone number is used to text them a payment link, as shown on screen now. Note that the customer will use their email or phone number to sign in and complete verification on your payment portal, so confirm with them the email address or phone number they want to receive and pay with. Now, add an amount and a description, such as the invoice number. You can also add an optional message, which will show up in the invoice email, or a memo, which is an internal note that your customer won't see. Lastly, you can add a due date or attach a document, like an invoice you created externally. Invoices created in QuickBooks will automatically attach the invoice PDF in the payment. Click Next to continue and review all the information you've entered is correct. Here, you can select where you send the invoice, via email or text message. Click Send Invoice and it will be sent to the method you chose. You can also send them your payment portal link, which you can find on the Invoices tab here, and they can sign in with their email address to see all their previous and current invoices. Customers have the option to either connect their bank account to pay or pay with their card. Card payments have a fee of 30 cents plus 3% of the invoice amount that is by default set to be paid by the customer. You can choose to pay that fee for them by going into your settings, click Payment Portal, and toggle Off Charge Customers Card Processing Fee, which means you will cover that fee for them from your company balance. When your customer pays you, it will show up in your Truss balance, but it won't be instantly available to third-party withdrawals. This includes standard ACH withdrawals to third-party sources like other banks, external bill payments, or payroll tools. Funds will typically be settled within 2 to 3 business days, and you can check on the progress of your funds availability by going into your Accounts page, click Cash, and choosing any processing transaction. After sending an invoice, you can easily follow up on any unpaid ones by opening the specific invoice and selecting Remind Customer. This will automatically send a reminder email or text message with a payment link. If you prefer to collect payment directly, you can also choose Charge Customer Card to process their card information over the phone. Please note that the standard card fee applies. You can toggle the option to cover this fee on behalf of the customer or not. Additionally, from this screen, you can edit the invoice, copy the payment portal link, or cancel the invoice as needed. If this is your first time sending an invoice with Truss, you may want to let your customers know how to accept payments. Using an online platform for the first time can be confusing, but our team is here to help if you or your customer has any questions. If you want to let your customer know about Truss, take a look at our sample messaging below this video. They can also sign up for a free account to accept funds instantly and use them instantly for bills and invoices like you. And that's the Invoices overview. If you have any questions, as always, reach out to our support team. We're here to help. Watch the next video to learn about bills.